Mga hindi siguradong ekspresyon sa Tagalog. Nakalimutan ko kung nasaan ako. I forgot where I was. Narinig mo ba yon? Did you hear that? Nakikita mo ba to? Are you seeing this? Sinabi ko naman sa'yo, hindi niya gagawin yon. I told you he wouldn't do it. Aalis ka rin ba? Are you leaving too? Anong pwede naming maitulong sa'yo? What can we do to help you? Anong nangyayari dito? What's happening here? Pag-iisipan ko muna yan. I'll think about it. Ano sa tingin mo? What do you think? Bakit mo sinasabi yan? Why are you saying that? Hindi siya yon. That's not who she is. It isn't her. Naisip mo na ba? Have you ever thought? Hindi ko talaga alam. I honestly don't know. Wala silang sinasabi sa atin ng kahit ano. They are not telling us anything. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa atin dito. I don't know what will happen to us here. Gusto mong sumama sa amin? Do you want to come with us? Walang sino mang aalis. Nobody will leave. Hindi ko alam kung ilan ang edad niya. I don't know how old she is. Hindi ko alam kung ano yon. I don't know what it is. Hindi ko masasabi sa'yo kung ano na ang sunod dyan. I can't tell you what's next to that. Sa tingin mo, totoo kaya yon? Do you think it's true? Wala akong anumang dahilan upang hindi sumang-ayon sa ngayon. I don't have any reason to disagree right now. Sa tingin ko, walang nakatira dyan. I guess nobody lives there. Dapat siguro hintayin na natin yung iba. Maybe we should have waited for the rest. Gaano na lang kalayo? How much farther is it now? Palagay ko may mali dito. I think something is wrong here. Napag-usapan na ba natin ito? Have we talked about it yet? Bakit tayo nag-uusap tungkol dito? Why are we talking about this? Paano ko ito ipapaliwanag? How can I explain this? Sinusubukan ko naman gawin to. I'm trying to do this. Ito na siguro yon. This must be it.